Hello friends, in the last lecture we have discussed about the sex determination in human beings, and today's session we will discuss about the sex determination in birds and honeybees. So let us talk about the sex determination in birds and honeybees. Okay, so in this sex determination in birds, the mechanism of or the chromosomal mechanism of first point, the chromosomal mechanism of sex determination is ZZ type. Okay. In the bird, the chromosomal mechanism of the sex determination is ZZ type. So in this the female bird is heterogametic. Okay. In the human being, the male is heterogametic. But here, in the bird, the female is heterogametic. They produce two types of the egg. They produce two types of egg. Two types of the eggs. Okay. The 50% eggs carry the 50% egg carry Z chromosome, and the 50% eggs carry the W chromosome, that is the W types of the chromosome. So in this type, okay, because one carry the Z chromosome and other chromosome carry the W chromosome, so this type of the female is heterogametic. The type of the female is heterogametic, and the male has only one type. The male bird has only one type. Of these sperms are carried. And that type is only Z type of the chromosome is carried. And that type of the gamete is homogametic. So in the bird, the female is heterogametic because the two types of the chromosome which are produced. Okay, so Z and W, and in the male they have only the Z type of the chromosomes which are produced. Okay, so in this way the type of the male bird has homogametic. Okay, the type of the male bird has homogametic because only one type of the sperms are produced in the male bird. Okay, so the Z contains the sperms. Okay, the Z chromosome contains the sperms, and in this we will see the example of the male and female bird. Okay, so here firstly write the male bird, parental generation P. Okay, male bird into female birds. So the male has genotypes. So Z. That means here diploid for the Poisson plus Z. Okay. And here female diploid means Poisson plus ZW. Okay, so that is the parental generation, that is the gametes. Okay, and there, that is genotypes and their gametes. Okay, lastly the see their gametes. So in this the N plus Z, okay, and N plus Z, the gametes which are produced N plus Z, N plus, because diploid, okay. So let us talk about the female bird. In this N plus Z, N plus W, N plus Z, N plus W. So in this way, the crossing of that, like this, the crossing of that. So N, that means twice N, and Z are similar. So here twice N plus Z. Okay, that is the F1 generation. Twice N plus Z. That means here the male bird, because they have Z chromosomes. Okay, and here N twice N plus one is the Z and one is the W. So ZW. Here the female bird. Here the female birds which are produced in the F1 generation. Okay, so the sex of the birds which depend upon the kinds of egg or ova. Okay, the sex which depend upon the eggs or the ova of the female bird, because female has heterogametic types of the chromosomes. Okay, as compared to in the human being, the types of the sex which is depend upon the kinds of the sperm, because in the human being there is X and Y chromosome. Okay, but in the sense the bird has two types of the egg, that means Z and W chromosomes, and that's why the type or the type of sex determination which is depend upon the types of the egg which is fertilized by the sperm. Okay, which is fertilized by the sperms and produce their offsprings. Okay, so that's all about the sex determination in the birds. That is the sex determination in the bird. Let us talk about the sex determination in honeybees. So in the honeybee, the chromosomal mechanism of sex determination is haplodiploid type. Okay, in this the chromosomal mechanism of the honeybee in their sex determination is haplodiploid types. Okay, in this the female has diploid. Okay, that means the female has diploid. So diploid means twice N is equal to 32 number of the chromosome. Okay, diploid means twice N is equal to 32 number of the chromosome, and male has haploid. That means N is equal to 16 number of the chromosome. Okay, female is the diploid and male is the haploid. So called the haplodiploid type of the sex determination. Haplodiploid type of the sex determination in the honeybees. Okay, so in the female produces haploid egg. The female produces haploid egg. Okay, that means N is equal to 16, N बराबर 16. Okay, and by the process meiosis, and the male also produces the sperm. That means the male produces sperms, that means N is equal to 16 haploid by the process mitotic division or the mitosis. Okay, so that is a diploid in nature female and they produces haploid egg. N is equal to 16. That is the process which is occur in meiosis, and the male produces sperms haploid. That means the mitotic division or the mitotic cell division. There is the haploid division, mitosis. Okay, so in this, if the egg is fertilized by sperm, okay, in this the egg is fertilized by sperm. So what has been happen here? The egg is fertilized by the sperm. So they give rise to the zygote. Fertilization of the zygote, and the zygote develops into egg fertilized by the sperm. The zygote develops into a diploid female. That means twice n is equal to 32. Diploid means twice n is equal to 32. That is the female. Okay. So here the female has vertically female characteristic. The female has queen and worker. Female has queen and worker. The queen is the fertile female. And worker has sterile female. By the process fertilization, they produce diploid female. That means the female as a fertile queen and the other female as worker. That is the sterile female which is produced. Okay, and when the egg is not fertilized. Okay, here after the egg is fertilized, produced by the fusion by the sperm and giving rise to the zygote. Okay, but here the egg is not fertilized. The egg is not fertilized. So in this they are produced by the drone. Okay, so in this the male is haploid in nature because N is equal to 16. Because here if the egg is not fertilized, then the haploid male which is produced, and that is the drone, and that drones which is made by means of the process of parthenogenesis. Without the fission of gamete, the male is produced, or the unfertilized egg which is developed into the drone as a haploid male. Okay, and that are produced by the process of parthenogenesis without the fertilization. Okay, and that is the also called drone. Okay, so male has called the drone, unfertilized egg is developed into a drone, and that is the male honeybee. Okay, then queen is the female honeybee and worker is the also female honeybee, but the queen is fertile female and the worker is the sterile female. Okay, worker is the sterile female. So we are getting one example for the haplodiploid sex determination in the honeybees. So in the example of honeybee, the haplodiploid nature, that means parental generation, pre-generation. Okay, here the female honeybee. Okay, here the female honeybee and the female bees. Honeybees. Okay, so here female means twice n is equal to 32 number of chromosomes diploid in nature. Okay, and male has into male n is equal to 16 number of the chromosomes. Okay, so let us there, that is the parental generation and getting their process. Which process is occur? Meiosis or the meiotic division, and they give rise to haploid cells. Okay, So here haploid means n is equal to 16. n बरोबर 16. Then n is equal to again 16 because diploid in the process of meiosis they are haploid. So that is also haploid. Here also haploid. This is the gametes. This is the gametes. Okay. So in the male, in the process of mitotic division or the mitosis, n is equal to 16 number of the chromosome. This is also again haploid. So fusion of the egg and male sperms of that honeybees. So fusion of that haploid, that means diploid female which is produced. Here haploid 1n means twice n is equal to 32 diploid female which is produced. Okay, and here without fertilization, because they are the male, without fertilization, that means the process is called parthenogenesis. Here n is equal to 16. That is the haploid number of the chromosome. That means this is the male honeybee, also called drone. And drone are the fertile honeybees. Queen are the fertile honeybees. And worker are the sterile honeybees. Okay, drone are the fertile honeybees. Queen are the fertile honeybees, and worker are the sterile honeybees. Okay, so that is the cross in between the male and female honeybees. Here the process of meiosis, haploid number of the chromosomes are made in this. So fusions of the egg and sperm. So what will be result? The diploid female or the diploid honeybee. Either they are queen or worker, depending upon the at the consume the food, what type of the food they are eaten. Okay, the food of material of the honeybee is the royal jelly. Okay, the food material of the honeybee is the royal jelly. So depending upon the food material, they are either queen or worker. Okay, so the diploid larvae which gets into the royal jelly, and they are determined by their are they are in the fertile queen or the sterile worker, depending upon they are consumed in the royal jelly as the process of development of the honeybees. Okay, so in this session we will talk about the sex determination in birds and honeybees. Okay, thank you.